Linguini with white clam sauce. It's got to be one of my favorite dishes. It's simple, straightforward, and I just love it. So let me show you how I like it. Garlic, plenty of garlic. I like slices of garlic. Some extra virgin olive oil. Okay. And we'll let that just get a little bit of a golden color. Clams, wash them well. These are little neck clams and they're delicious. You want to make sure that the clams are all nice and fresh. And whenever you see a clam that's kind of a little bit open, that's not really tight, discard it, because that means this clam is old. Okay, this is nice and golden. We'll drop the clams right in there. Okay. I'm gonna make a little corner hot spot right here. I'm gonna put in, just for that little extra flavor, a little bit of anchovies. Not too much, just a little bit. And the anchovy will disintegrate right here in the corner. A little bit of the dry oregano. And get yourself like this, a nice little bouquet, which is really aromatic. And just kind of roll it a little bit till you get a little bit of the, that's it, that's enough. Put it right in there. So let me see, yes, you see, the anchovies broke up. White wine. And we'll let this open. I'm going to put the pasta, the linguini, in the water. To cook linguini, it's a long pasta. You need salted water, plenty of it, and you just slide the long pasta right in. Now, you don't break the pasta. If you push it in, it will break. And you know, us Italians like to twirl our pasta, so we want it long. Okay, so here we are. That's gonna cook away. Let's see where we are with the clams. So they're beginning to open up. I am going to pull them out so that they don't overcook. See, let's pull the clam right out. So stay by the pot and pick them one by one as they open up. You know, these take some time, but they're really worth the effort. So I'm gonna finish them up, pluck them all out, save all the juice, and then we'll finish the clam sauce. So when we came here as immigrants, I was 14 years old, and you know, we would go to the beach. And Sunken Meadow was on the north shore of Long Island, was a park, but it had a sandy beach. It's forbidden now, but with our toes, we would dig in the sand and we would feel the clam and kind of pull it up, put our two toes together, pull it out, and I had a little bucket, and we would put the clams in there. And we would come with a bucket full, enough to make a family meal of linguine clam sauce. Now, you could chop these. I kind of like them whole. Let me put a little peperoncino in there. Let's put the clams back in, and as I said, you could chop them or you can just leave them like that. And I like them like that. The pasta should be done. I'll move it over, and then I'll finish it cooking in here until it is perfect. So, just like that, right in. You know, when you cook pasta, not only you do not want to put oil in the cooking water, you do not want to rinse your pasta, because your pasta like this will absorb the sauce, and the sauce will stick to the pasta. Okay. Let's toss it just like that. Mamma mia. Let's give it a little bit of heat now. A little bit of olive oil. I call it raw olive oil, just like that at the end. When you add it like this at the end, you get the full flavor of that olive oil. You don't lose most of it in the cooking process, if you will. Parsley, lots of parsley. Linguine clam sauce require parsley. Let me just toss it like that. done. Since this is a juicy pasta, let's get close. So. Do we want a little more? Maybe just a little more like that. And that's a winning plate, at least for me. Simple, straightforward, and don't give me that spoon stuff to roll your spaghetti. Just the fork. That's the way the Italians do it. So how do you do that? Just pick up a little bit, and then you go in the corner, and without picking up any new strands, you just turn the one that you have. And there's a few hanging. It's okay, you'll slurp them in slowly. Perfetto, perfetto, delicious.